Hi there, I'm going to show in this video how to repair a completely dead Huawei MediaPad T3 from 2017 based on MediaTek chipset. It's also known as Baggio2. We have here the model BG2-W09. We received the sample completely dead. In order to fix it, I'm going to use OT Smart latest version from FURIOUSGOLD. So I'm going to type here the model BG2. Okay, I'm gonna check here right factory firmware, and I'm going to select the firmware downloaded from the support. We can only repair dead tablets like this using OT Smart. If the tablet doesn't boot anymore, it's not possible to repair with Pack 7 Resurrector. So now I'm going to choose Connect. Okay, and once the software starts searching for the tablet, I'm going to insert the USB cable in the dead device. If the tablet is not detected anymore, simply reattach the battery or disconnect it. Okay, so the tablet got detected and now the flashing process started.
Right, started right now. I hope everything is okay at the end of this process, but it should be.
Okay, the flashing ended. Now let's see if everything is okay with the device. Wow, the device starts. Let's try to power it on now. So everything seems okay. We are just going to wait for the OS to initialize, but everything should be just fine. Okay, so it started, so the repair went just fine. Thanks for watching this tutorial, thanks for using our products, bye bye.